Hello Jyoti, good evening. How are you doing and how's your day going so far?
Good evening. I am doing great. Everything is going smoothly at my place. Everything is hunky dory. And yes, things are going well. And thank you so much for inviting me on your channel. Thank you so much. How about you? What are you doing?
Yes, I'm also doing great and actually I am feeling very happy because I was, waiting for this session for a long time, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
correct.
All right.
We-
So, because we are meeting for the very first time, so I would love to know about you. So, could you please introduce yourself in a nutshell?
Yeah, definitely. I would love to introduce myself. First of all, thank you so much because you are waiting for me for such a long time. So, yes, it
Yes.
really means a lot for me. And I am Jyoti Mishra. I live in Pune. I work in a corporate sector. Along with that, I run a YouTube channel. And if I talk about my hobbies, I have multiple hobbies. It's sometimes it keeps changing, but yes, nowadays I love reading books and love watching conversational video, mainly an English podcast.
Good to know about you. So, shall I introduce myself?
Yes, I would love to know about you.
Yeah. So, my name is Mamta and I hail from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I am a devoted homemaker and a proud mother of one. If I talking about my hobbies, it's reading, writing, playing badminton, singing, and apart from that, nowadays because I am indulging myself to learn this language. So yeah, this is pretty much about me.
Lovely introduction. So you love playing badminton. I
Yes,
also play in the night after having my dinner. I also prefer at least for 20 minutes I play.
yes, I would
It
love.
is, yeah, it's you can kill two birds with same stone. It is entertainment and as well as for your health. There is
Yes,
two
yes,
benefit
yes, correct.
by playing this.
Yes. So,
Yeah,
all right. So, Judy, I have some questions for you, and the topic is how to handle failure, right? So,
lovely topic.
before asking questions, so I would like to add something. Like we all see failure differently, right? For some people, it is the end of the road, while for others, it is a new beginning. So, what does failure mean to you personally?
Lovely question. And yes, topic is also amazing. We don't prefer to talk about this topic. We always go with the positive things as this is our nature. But yes, it is important to discuss about failure. So
Yes.
I believe failure means when you don't get your desired result in one go, in one attempt, then we consider I am fail. But
Yes.
if we cannot say I cannot try again, I will try again, right? So when you are not success in first attempt, then you can consider it's failure. But in this way, you learn a lot of things. You get experience. You know what is my gray area where I need to work upon. It didn't work for me, so I need to change my way. So in this way, you learn a lot of things. So if you get success in one go, maybe you don't get that much idea. In second attempt, you have a lot of idea. You are aware. You get a lot of idea where I was not work earlier. I need to work upon that. So yes, when you don't get the result in first attempt, then we consider it's my failure.
Yes, right. Agreed with you. And many, successful people say that failure is an important part of their journey. And it often teaches us things that success cannot. So, do you think failure is the opposite of success or a part of success?
It's not opposite of success. As per my knowledge, it is part of success. Of course, you learn a lot of things. You fail in one subject. For let's suppose I fail in math, in science, in a subject. So I work on that subject. I spend more hours for to improve my that subject. So you gain knowledge and you have awareness. Now I will have to gain knowledge in the subject. I cannot fail again in this subject. So in this next attempt, it is high possibility you will get very high mark in that subject. So it
Right.
is part of success. You cannot consider it is failure and it is totally negative things. Yeah, for time being you feel demotivated. You don't want to do anything because we are human being. So yes, we need we always prefer success in one go, but
Yeah,
it
correct.
is not happening all the times. We have to face sometimes these negative things like failures. So, of course, at that moment, it is not good for anyone. I cannot say, yes, I am failed, I am happy. But yes, after sometimes you learn a lot and you work on, so certainly you will get success. So it is part of success, not the opposite. And
Right, right. And I think we should count it as a challenge also, right? And because challenges always gives a different kind of power in our life, right? So yes, life, doesn't always go according to our plans, and sometimes unexpected results can be difficult to accept, right? So how do you usually react when something, doesn't go as planned?
lovely question, because it is very common problem we are facing.
Yes.
Yeah, we plan a lot of things. We wrote down, this is my to-do list. I need to do this task tomorrow at any cost. But sometimes we are not able to achieve that goal. I also face sometimes. But yes, there is some things what I need to do means I will have to do at any cost. Like going office, I cannot skip that. So
Yes.
for that, I will have to do something, at least basic things in the morning, then I can go office. Then there is lots of things which I wanted to do, but I'm not able to do before going office. So I don't take that much stress because I just get ready, I go office. After that, whatever it is in my home, we both go office. After coming home, whatever it is, we will manage. So yes, when you think that much, I will have to do lots of things because my home is messy. When I am in office, my kitchen is not always clean.
Mhm.
In the morning, I am in always in hurry, as you know. I have to ready, I
I
have
think
to
every woman in is in hurry in the morning, especially.
correct. So I am hurry, I have to do this, I have to get ready, prepare breakfast for both. So yes, I cannot say everything is as planned as I think, but yes, I try to do what is in my priority list, like taking my breakfast, it is important, having my coffee. Without coffee, I feel sleepy whole day. So yes, at least
I'm coffee
one.
lover.
Yeah, at least one coffee is necessary for me before going office. Then I can take in my canteen office. It is perfectly fine. But in the morning, I need coffee. So yes, these things are top priority. I will have to do any cost. And when I am in rush, my husband, he helps me a lot. He always do whatever he can do. So yes,
So
I
do you never try adrak wali chai?
yes, I prefer chai also, but mostly I like coffee. I
Okay.
Yeah, I prefer tea also in the evening,
Mhm.
but in the morning I need strong coffee.
Mhm. But I love to take like adrak wali chai.
It is
Okay.
very famous in North India, like UP, Bihar. It's very famous. And
Yes.
when it's
I think
raining, yeah, I belong to Bihar, so in my home, everyone loves tea. They
yes.
need tea in the morning, in the afternoon, not in the afternoon, but means in the evening. They need 3 cup tea, sometimes four, more than four. They are very fond of tea. They love, and I also like tea, but I need coffee in the morning. After that, I can take tea.
Yes. I personally I like to take tea, but yes, if I talk about in summer, so I usually prefer replace tea with curd, like in the
Curd.
breakfast. Yes, curd. Because as we all know, like we are living in the north part, and nowadays we are, suffering in from intense heat, right? So in that season, I never prefer tea or coffee. I always prefer
Yeah,
something cool, cold, chilled. So I always
yeah.
prefer these kind of things. Yes.
Correct. In UP, Bihar, the weather is not pleasant nowadays. The temperature is more than 40 plus. It
Yes.
is, yeah, it
Yeah.
is,
All right. So,
yes,
okay. So sometimes, Jyoti, sometimes a painful experience makes sense only after some time, right? So when we realize what it has taught us. So have you ever experienced a failure that later tuned into an important life lesson for you?
yeah, it happens many times. Earlier, you think it was my failure. I didn't get the desired result. But later, you think, no, it was good for me. Because of that failure, I learned these new things. Sometimes it happens. I think most of the people can experience these things. Initially,
Yes.
you think it was your question, if I'm not wrong, right? Initially, you think it was my failure, but later on, you thought, no, it was good decision by God. Because as you know, if it's not in our, if it is not what we want, it means it's God desire, right? They want, that's why it happens.
Yes. And sometimes we often notice that the same situation affects different people in a different way. So some lose hope, and while others come back even stronger. So, why do you think some people give up after failure while others become stronger? What is the reason behind it?
Yeah, it depends on the mindset. If you have a strong mindset, you have learning capability, so you will get something from your failure as well. Otherwise, you will think, always keep thinking negative. Like,
It's okay.
I don't get desired results, so it's my failure. But it's not like that. If you
Mhm.
have a strong mindset, no, now in this time being, I am not able to get this result. But if I work on myself, I will get definitely. So it depends on your mindset, your experience. If you have the positive experience, definitely you will take this positively.
Mm-hmm. Right, correct. And after a setback, our mind, often keeps replying the same situation again and again. So, which can make things even, you can say, like harder. So, how can we stop ourselves from overthinking after a failure? So, according to you.
As per my knowledge, I believe when I have the failures or some negative things I'm experiencing from last some days, so I do two things. One is yoga, second is reading books. It
Yes.
helps me a lot. Always. It is beneficial for me. If I don't have anything what to do, what is next, I don't have any idea, I start reading books. Any books, especially self-help book, and
Mm-hmm.
I get result. I don't I start thinking positively. I start taking things in different manner. Okay, it is now I am suffering from this issue, but it will not long lasting. It will solve by the time. And
Okay.
yoga, you can do yoga. It
Mm-hmm.
two things I can say it helps me. Apart from that, gardening, I also like gardening. So yes, when I spend time with my tree, so yes, I watering plants. So yes, it gives me happiness. I feel happy also then.
Okay, so as you mentioned, you like reading, right? So which kind of books nowadays are you reading?
Yes, I have completed this book, Sudhamurthy's book. This is Voice and Otherwise. Before
Okay.
that, I have read this book, and now I am reading Power of Subconscious Mind.
Yes, I have actually both books, but I didn't start to read it. Actually, nowadays I am reading Sudha Murthy books. So it is quite easy to understand, and the words, sentences, this framing of sentences are very, natural way. So I personally like it.
Correct. It's easy to understand. Everyone can understand. If you are beginner, if you are intermediate, you would love
Yeah.
definitely. The way she presents, and basically this is about her experience, what
Mhm.
she has done, what was her
Actually,
experience.
actually, I always prefer a natural English,
Yeah.
because I never want to become that. I'm not saying that we have to aware all the, advanced vocabulary, idioms, phrases, and phrasal verbs as well as. But if I talk about myself, so I always prefer to speak in a natural way. I always support a natural English, like native speaker speaks, right? So I always prefer these kind of English.
Yeah, this book is very helpful. I also read two books, and this is I like the most. I planning to get some more books of Sudhamurti, and
Mhm.
yes, you can go with that, and you will get new ideas, the new vocabulary, and you don't need to jot down. You automatically grab that word. If you keep reading her books, two, 3 pages, you will get the new vocabulary and the same vocabulary what you have read earlier. So you don't
Yes,
need to get pressure like I'm not able to recall that word, not able to implement. By the time you automatically start using that word if you read the
correct.
book.
Yes, yes. Okay, so let's move to the topic. So, like sometimes we don't even take the first step because, we already worried about what will happen if we fail, right? So do you think fear of failure stops people from, trying new things?
Yes, I do believe for some extent people think before starting they think about result. That is
Mm-hmm.
not in our hand even. When I started my journey, even it's my office or even my YouTube, it was not easy at all. And the first step for 1 week, it is toughest. As you know, anything you start, you get a
Yeah.
lot of problem initially days. But if you continue at least 20 days, 15 days, then you can survive. But first 10 days, 20 days is toughest. So yes, everyone face this issue, but starting is important. If you just keep thinking about failure, will not work.
Yes.
Initially, ultimately you have to take action because if you just keep thinking about failure, what if I get not get desired result? What if I fail? So what can we do? So you cannot start even.
Mm-hmm. Agreed. And Jyoti, when we fail at some time, so our confidence can be affected somewhere, right? So, and we may start doubting our own abilities. Sometimes, like definitely we do. So, how important is self-confidence when dealing with failure?
Yeah, it is most important because if you don't believe in yourself, so how you think people believe in you? First, this is we who can believe in ourselves. Yes, I can do, I can start my journey, YouTube journey, or it's anything else. If you don't believe, to be honest, no one can believe in you. Even your family member, they're also not going to support you. If you will not say, yes, I will start and I will continue, what no matter what I am facing from inside, but I keep showing every day. You
Right,
will
right.
say, then they will support definitely. But this is you who will have to take action. So yes, this is necessary. And yes, it happens with me also. If I don't get the desired result, if I get failure, I also have some self-doubt. But I don't think negative. This is the best quality I can say. For one day, I may think, but after that, I cannot think negative
Yes.
about myself. I am a very positive person. I always take things positively. Okay, no matter today it's not work, tomorrow it will work. So I take another steps differently. And yes,
Right.
in this way, and self-confidence comes by your experience, by your knowledge. If you have knowledge, then after sometimes you start feeling confident. It comes with knowledge, I believe. For example, you know a topic and then you feel confident, but you are totally unaware of the topic or any math concept. You start demoting yourself, like
Something.
I don't have any idea. You start
Yes.
thinking negatively. So it is connected with your knowledge also. If you have knowledge, you have good experience, you
Right.
don't think that much negative thinking.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Absolutely correct. And I like your answer actually. I liked it. Okay, so what advice would you give to someone who feels, completely discouraged after failing?
Yeah, I can say I also get lots of failures in my past. Still, I am not able to get result. Sometimes it happens. We have lots of desire, but we don't get in one go. But yes, I would say keep trying, and definitely if your direction is correct, so you will get result. And as we know about English, if I talk about English journey, so yes, it was not easy for you as well as for me. As we know, we
Yes.
are
Mm.
not live in USA or UK. We live in India, and in our surrounding, no one speaks in English. But still,
Right.
we are continuing our journey. So yes, it is important to do whatever you want, what is your desire. Failure is a part of life, part and parcel. You cannot escape from that. You can do only one thing. You can work upon yourself. It can be possible you don't get in one way, but yes, definitely, if you work hard, you have the proper knowledge, definitely it will work for you.
Yeah. And yes, and you answered all the questions very nicely and profoundly, I would say that. So, yeah, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts so openly and honestly. I truly appreciate the way you expressed yourself on, such a sensitive and I think crucial topic. And I'm sure people will, relate to your words and feel that they are not alone in their journey, right? So it was
Correct.
truly wonderful. Sorry, it was truly wonderful having you with me today, Jyoti. And you are such a warm and inspiring woman. And I genuinely enjoyed this conversation with you. So thank you so much for being here, and take care and keep inspiring.
Thank you so much for having me here. It was really amazing session with you. And finally, we are here. We were trying, but yes,
Yes.
today we are successful. And thank you so much. It was really, and you prepared the question. It was really relatable, we can say. Everyone face this issue
Yes.
because failure is part of life. We cannot say, no, I cannot fail. It's part of life.
Right. Okay, so we will connect again.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.